Hey friends, it's Miss Kaitlyn here. Today we're going to talk about citrus fruits. Have you been eating lots of oranges lately? I have. What's your favorite way to have citrus? I love to just eat them like slices or put some in some water, some bubbly water. Today I've got so many types of citrus to show you. So first I've got this lemon, yellow on the inside and the outside. Then I've got this lime, also green on the inside and green on the outside. And then all these different oranges. This one is actually a ruby red grapefruit. So it's pink on the outside, but it's bright red on the inside. Then this is a type of mandarin orange. It's very big, and look at the little nub it has on the end. These ones are great for peeling, for snacking. I love these ones. And then I've got these little miniolas. They're really smooth and the skin is really thin. They're not as bumpy as like the last oranges we looked at. They're a little tart on the inside, a little sour. Then, oh, they're falling all over the place. Then we've got this one. This is a navel orange. This is what we think of when we think of orange juice. It's usually what it's made of. It's called navel because navel is the scientific word for belly button. Isn't that so silly? This is a cara orange, but this one has a good belly button on it too, huh? This one's actually kind of pink on the inside. These are my little guy's absolute favorites. Then these ones over here are blood oranges. Inside, they're almost purple. They're such a bright, deep red that they're almost purple. And then this big guy, this is called a pomelo. So this is really popular in Thailand, where my husband and my family is from. And in Thai, it's called sum-o. I love that. So how does citrus grow? Have you ever been orange picking? It grows on trees just like an apple, but definitely not in Maine. It's way too cold here for oranges. Okay, so let's just dive right into the pomelo. So it's kind of like a grapefruit, but it's actually a little bit sweeter. And look at how thick the pith is. The pith is that white part. It's so thick. In Thailand, they actually are really, really good at getting all the segments out. My mother-in-law is so good at getting all of the white part off and just getting the little juicy bubble parts out. I'm not very good, so this took me a minute, so I'll speed this video up for us. It took me quite a long time to get the pith off. It's quite thick, and the orange or the pomelo looks really big when we started, but by the time we're done, we're only left with this little bit of fruit. And there's still quite a bit of pith on it. I didn't do a very good job. So then I'll just grab a bowl and a smaller knife, and I'm going to start trying to cut the segments out. I'm going to try to leave as little of the juicy bits behind and get it all out as best as I can. But like I said, I'm not very good at this, and if you're going to try this at home, you'll definitely need an adult's help. This is not, this is not super simple. But was it worth it? It was so yummy. It tastes kind of like a grapefruit, but it's a little bit sweeter, and it's so juicy. And there, that's all we have left. My husband's stealing a piece. Oh, one more segment I almost missed. And there we have it. Just a quick clean up here. Look at the beautiful pomelo, the beautiful sum-o. Now let's cut into this navel orange, the belly button orange. So look where I cut it. I got right up next to the skin of that segment. There's a little bumpy segment, a little ball at the bottom almost. And I'm just going to cut this one into little orange smiles. My little guy will like to eat it that way. And I just make sure to get the white center. It's not a core, but I guess it's kind of like a core. The white stringy bits that hold all the different segments together. I just want to make sure to get that out so my little guy doesn't chomp into it. Now let's dive into this blood orange. I think I'm going to cut this one into slices and add it to some water. Wow, look at that color. It's like a rainbow of different colors of different purples. I love it. So I'm just going to make this one into really pretty slices and add it to a cup of bubbly water. It'll give the bubbly water a nice little bit of a color and a little bit of a taste, and it's way better than orange soda. Look at how pretty that is. I just love that color. Okay, now for the Cara Cara orange. Wow, it's so pretty on the inside. I love that pink color. It's definitely not as red as our blood orange, right? But it's definitely more pink than our navel orange. It's so sweet and so bright. It's not super tangy like some of the other oranges, so it's really good for snacking. I actually had one for breakfast this morning. So I just cut those into smiles again. My little guy will enjoy those after his nap. Now let's dive into the Mineola. So this one, I love the color of the inside of this. It's such a bright, vibrant orange. It's definitely brighter than our navel orange. But these ones are quite tart. They're very juicy and a little bit sour. So I like these ones for orange juice or to add into some water, some bubbly water. But they're also really good for snacking. My little guy likes to eat these ones and make lots of funny faces. And then on to our mandarin friend. So I just like to rip that big nub off, the one that's poking up at the top, and then I just peel the whole thing. The skin on these oranges comes off really, really easy. The Cara Cara oranges can be a little harder to peel, but this one's so easy. Then I just break it in half, tear the segments in half, and get the little stringy bits out of the middle. And then I'm just going to go through and break each section off. And look, no cutting required for this snack. I didn't need a knife at all, so this is definitely something that you can try on your own. Another quick little cleanup and we'll jump right into the grapefruit. I love grapefruit. Whoops, forgot the sticker there. Look at those big seeds in there. Wow. We could grow a little grapefruit tree with that seed. Look at it, it's all wrinkly and cute. Like your fingers after you've been in the tub for too long. So with grapefruits, I actually like to just eat them in a bowl with a spoon. Put them in a bowl, grab a spoon, and then use the spoon to pull out each little section. It makes it so juicy and it definitely can squirt you, so watch out for your eyes. But there we have it. Look at all of our citrus snacks. My family's going to be set on snacks for the next few days. This is awesome. All of our rainbow of oranges. So exciting. So friends, where can you find oranges at the grocery store? Right now, they're probably front and center when you walk in the front door because they're in season and delicious, but you can also find them in cans too. So check out all the ways that you can get citrus at your grocery store. Well, thank you so much for watching. Stay safe out there. I miss you so much. And go enjoy some citrus fruits. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.